Perkenalkan, nama saya Victor Fernando, NIM 1710416511, kelas pagi A1. Baiklah, di sini saya akan menjawab soal bahasa Inggris. Soal nomor 1, silahkan buka halaman 1 dan 2, chapter 1. Silahkan baca chapter 1, halaman 1 dan halaman 2 dari buku English for Business, dan juga terjemahkan ke dalam bahasa Indonesia. Jawabannya, Chapter 1. What is business? The definition of business. In general, business is defined as an activity carried out by individuals or group of organizations that carry out sales, production, distribution, purchasing, or change of goods or services. And this business activity also has the aim of making a profit. There are three ways to use the word business. Business entity, namely technical, legal, economic units for profit. Retail market sector, for example, such as the capital market. All activity conducted by the producer or producer community of goods or services. Brown and Fratello. According to Brown and Fratello, business is defined as an institution that produces or creates an item or service that is needed and desired by the public, and all matter concerning various business carried out by the government or private sector, whether they pursue profit or not. Griffin and Ebert. According to Griffin and Ebert, business is an activity that provides goods or service that are needed and desired by consumers or the public. Business activities can be carried out by a business organization that has a legal entity or business entity, or individuals who do not have a illegal entity or business entity. For example, such as street vendors sell that do not have a business place permit, or other informal business. C. Hooks and Kapoor. According to Hooks and Kapoor, business is an organization that provides goods or service for profit. A business or company is said to succeed in making a profit or profit if the total revenue in one period is greater than the total costs incurred. Getting profit is the main attraction in running a business. Through the profits they get, the business person can expand his business so that it can generate profit or even greatest profit. D. Alan Afua 2004. According to Alan Afua, business is an organized or structured individual or group business activity conducted to produce and sell goods or service to good profit in meeting the needs and desires of the community. Usually, people who run a business must make money and time spent, and they also must take the risk. They are usually referred to as entrepreneurs. Hooper. According to Hooper, business is a very complex activity that is usually carried out in the field of industry, banking, transportation, sales, distribution, and so forth. The purpose of the activity to benefit those who do it. Untuk terjemahan definisi bisnis secara umum, bisnis didefinisikan sebagai kegiatan yang dilakukan oleh individu atau kelompok organisasi yang mencakup penjualan, produksi, distribusi, pembelian atau pertukaran barang atau jasa. Dan kegiatan bisnis juga memiliki tujuan untuk membuat keuntungan. Ada 3 cara untuk menggunakan bisnis. Pemerataan bisnis yaitu unit teknis, hukum, dan ekonomi. Untuk profit sektor pasar tertentu, misalnya seperti pasar modal, semua kegiatan yang dilakukan oleh produsen barang atau jasa. Untuk bagian 2-nya, Brown and Pretelo. Menurut Brown and Pretelo, bisnis didefinisikan sebagai sebuah konstitusi yang menghasilkan sebuah barang atau layanan yang diperlukan dan dibandingkan oleh masyarakat dan semua hal mengenai berbagai bisnis yang telah dikerat oleh pemerintah atau sektor swasta, apakah mereka mengenal laba atau tidak. Griffin dan Ebert 1996. Menurut Griffin dan Ebert, bisnis adalah kegiatan yang menyediakan barang atau jasa yang dibutuhkan dan diinginkan oleh konsumen atau publik. Aksi bisnis ini dapat dilakukan oleh organisasi bisnis yang memiliki badan hukum atau badan bisnis, atau individu yang tidak memiliki badan hukum atau badan bisnis, misalnya seperti penjajan jalanan, warung yang tidak memiliki tempat bisnis izin situasi, atau bisnis informal lainnya. Menurut Hooks and Kapur, bisnis adalah sebuah organisasi yang menyediakan barang atau jasa untuk keuntungan. Sebuah bisnis atau perusahaan dikatakan berhasil menghasilkan laba jika total pendapatan dalam satu periode lebih besar daripada total biaya yang dikeluarkan. Keuntungan gating adalah daya tarik utama dalam menjalankan bisnis. Melalui laba yang mereka dapatkan, orang bisnis dapat memperluas bisnis sehingga dapat menghasilkan keuntungan atau bahkan keuntungan yang lebih besar. D. Alan Apuah 2004. Menurut Alan Apuah, bisnis adalah kegiatan bisnis yang terorganisasi atau terstruktur yang dilakukan untuk menghasilkan dan menjual barang atau jasa untuk mendapatkan keuntungan dalam memenuhi kebutuhan dan keinginan masyarakat. Biasanya, orang yang menjalankan bisnis harus menghasilkan uang dan waktu yang dihabiskan, dan mereka juga harus mengambil risiko. Mereka biasanya disebut sebagai pengusaha. Untuk soal nomor 2, silakan buka buku English for Business pada halaman 48, kerjakan per A. Jawabannya, what is marketing? Marketing is defined as an activity carried out by companies to promote or product or service that they have. The marketing includes advertising, selling, and shipping product to consumer or other companies. Number 2, what does the marketing include? Paid ads, cause marketing, relational marketing, undercover marketing, word of mouth, internet marketing, marketing transactional, diversity marketing. Number 3, what will the companies do in doing promotions? In doing promotion, the companies will target people who are in accordance with the products being marketed. Usually, they also involve a celebrity or anyone who has a popularity to boost the product. Not only that, in marketing, those who are in kind of this tax will make attractive packaging or design on advertisement so that many people will be interested. In essence, marketing is very helpful for consumers, so they will find product that match what they need more easily. When marketing matches its target, the companies will get many buyers and profit can obtain. Number 4, why is marketing very helpful to consumer. In simple terms, consumer will reward product with brand that they already know or trust. Beforehand, with marketing, consumer will know our brand. What are the products from our brand and what are the advantages? Number 5. Mention the functions of marketing. 3 are 7 marketing functions, namely consumer analysis, sales, product and service planning, pricing, distribution, research, opportunity analysis. Number 6. Mention the type of marketing. Type of marketing: using paid ads, transactional marketing, marketing through social media, interactive marketing, content marketing. Number 7. What is branding? Mark is a slogan worn by entrepreneurial factor products ads on the goods product as identification. The brand is the frontliner of a product, an initial appearance that makes it easier for consumer to recognize the product. Number 8. What is broadcast advertisement? Broadcast advertisement is a series of television shows created and paid for by business entity to convey a message, usually to market a product or sample, to announce. Number 9. What is multi-level marketing? Target marketing is a marketing strategy in which salespeople are not only compensated for the sales of other sales people that recruit. The salesperson who is recruited is known a downline member. Number 10. What is after sale service? Post sale service is a form of company responsibility for the goods they have produced and part of the marketing which aim to retain consumer and increase company profit. Soal nomor 3. Coba Anda ceritakan kesan-kesan belajar bahasa Inggris sebelum mid semester dalam bahasa Inggris dan video record kesan Anda. Jawabannya, my impression and message during the English class were very pleasant, even though something it was difficult because I found it difficult to learn English because of my lack of ability in English. I am happy because the English lecturer can be friendly and easy to get along with. I hope the English class can be useful in the future and make me understand that one language is not enough to communicate it. Sekian jawaban saya tentang soal bahasa Inggris. Terima kasih.